Happy Saturday, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Keith at Crypto Bullseye, and I've been going through the charts this morning, looking for ones that are likely to pop next because we had the big signal we've been waiting for. Sounds like a broken record on this channel. We've been waiting for this for the last 2.5 years. We finally got the signal. The dominance is dropping, showing that Bitcoin is underperforming against the altcoins, signaling the start of alt season. So we're looking at some coins. I'm going to be going over ApeCoin first. Had a big surge to the upside. That was nearly a 200% move. We've had the pullback, and it's coiling up for another move. So we're going to add some Fibonacci levels on here, make a clearer picture, and then there's a big indicator that I wanted to show you. ApeCoin is currently trading at $1.08, just under $1.08. And one thing that you notice on this chart, and it's not me being lazy, is all we've got is naked price action. We've got no support built in. We've got no resistance built in. We've got no indicators added. And I'm going to do this together, and I'm going to do it together with you guys for one reason, because understanding how to read a price chart, understanding what's fair value for any asset that you're looking to get into, it's one of the most important self-development things that you'll ever teach yourself, guys. So remember that. Teach yourself, work on self-development is one of the biggest things that you'll ever do. Nobody does that, guys. Everyone's happy with a 9-to-5 grind. Nobody cares about working on their self-development. Trust me, it's an important thing. So we're going to add in these zones together. We're going to build in our support. We're going to build in our resistance. We're going to add in our Fibonacci levels. And ultimately, we want to find out what Fib levels are going to be respected previously to find out if they're likely to be respected going forward. Because one thing, guys, markets, they never repeat, but markets do rhyme. So we look for back clues in the market to get forward clues. So that's what we're working with today, guys. So where's ApeCoin been before? In the previous bull market of 2021, ApeCoin went all the way up to $28.08. $28.08. So I'm all about probabilities, guys. I'm all about whether you've got a higher probability, whether you've got a higher conviction of something going your way or not. So I'm not shooting for the moon. I'm not shooting for the stars. I'm not going from the previous bull market all-time high. What I'm doing is I'm going from the nearest significant high, and this was this previous lower high here. So I'm adding my fib level from this lower high. That's sitting at $6.39. Fib's at $6.39. We're coming all the way down and measuring it to the bear market low. And then what we're going to do is we're going to follow this down to find out if previous areas, certain Fibonacci zones have been respected previously, to see if they're likely to be respected going forward. So this is the fib retracement. Let's follow it down together. See, we're coming down, support, resistance, support. This is the golden 618, marked it out in green. Golden 618, that's going to be a strong resistance when we get up to there. You can see it's acted as a shelf here. It's acted as a shelf here. That build up of price action is going to make more resistance going forward. That was strong support, build up a price action. That's likely to be strong resistance going forward. So you can follow it down, guys. What happened here? Resistance comes support, resistance. Look at how these levels hold. Now, this is the one that I want to show you. This is the 236 level. And I'm pointing this out, guys, because the 236 fib retracement level is usually a weak retracement. It doesn't usually work as well on other charts, but it's worked well here. You can see by this build up of price action, support, 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 fell through, resistance. Then we come down. What level's likely to act as resistance? What was previous support? Resistance, 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 till ultimately we tried again, we broke through, and then that becomes support. Fell through, resistance. See how these levels hold, guys. They've held before previously. We expect them to hold again going forward. So let's just tidy this up a bit. So we know in the short term, this 236 level is going to be a strong barrier that we need to overcome. This is our midterm level, and we'll mark this out here. That's sat at $1.87. $1.87. You can see we were nearly touching that there, and we had a reaction at this level. So that's the short term. What we're going to do now is we're going to add a Fibonacci from its previous swing low to its current swing high. So from the swing low to the swing high, and we're looking how far this swing's retraced. Right, okay, guys, what do you see here? First thing that you see, where have we reacted? Golden zone, 618. We've had a reaction at the 618. We've had a rejection at the 0.5 once, twice. This is going to be our level to overcome in the short term. $1.11. $1.11. A break and a close above $1.11 is given conviction that the bulls have got momentum in the short term. Then we can try putting in those higher lows and higher highs, take out this previous high, which is sitting at $1.77, and then continue the bull run. It's all about who's got conviction. And this is an important thing. This high here, this is an important thing, because when we look left, you could see this was strong resistance, strong resistance, strong resistance, strong resistance. We've managed to break through. We've managed to close above. And although that we've pulled back down to the 618, this is still strong that we've managed to do this in the first place. So I do like the look of ApeCoin at the moment, but there's a couple of things that need to happen. Right, okay, guys, this is the signal that I wanted to show you. And you've seen these on my channel over the last few weeks. They're printing out sporadically at the moment, and it's this. Your daily golden cross. It's about to happen tomorrow. It's about to happen tomorrow. The only way that this can be invalidated now is if price reverses all the way down here today, and that is not likely to happen. So we've got the golden cross on here. That's going to happen tomorrow. What's likely to happen is this is going to start fanning upwards. You've got the faster paced moving average, which is the 50 period moving average. We're going to cross over like that. Price is likely to come back down, test this area of support. And you haven't just got confluence here, guys. You've got 618 support. You've got 50 period moving average support. You've got 200 moving average support. You've got triple confluence at this level. So this 618, 0.996 is going to be a strong, strong, strong support level for us. So that's what I'm looking for on ApeCoin, guys. I'm going to do a big show video tomorrow because I've got lots of altcoin requests that I need to catch up on. So throw your altcoin requests in the comments today. I'll add them to the chart tomorrow and we'll go through them together. Subscribe to the Crypto Bullseye channel. And from the bottom of my heart, guys, over the last few weeks, I've got about 200 subscribers. So thank you very much. Let's build this community. Get yourself in the Discord and I'll see you in the next one.